If you're someone who travels outstation regularly, then you already know the hardest part isn't how far the destination is. People who travel outstation frequently usually want something very simple. Enough power even when fully loaded, a comfortable long-distance driving experience, and confidence to travel further without constantly have to worry. And then, for many years, you start to realize the vehicle can feel unstable at high speed. Your cargo is exposed whenever heavy rains come, especially on Sarawak Road. You definitely don't want to constantly keep worrying whether your fuel will last the journey or not, being forced to stop again and again just to refuel. Gripping the steering wheel tightly because the vehicle doesn't feel stable, watching your cargo get soaked when unexpected rain starts pouring. That's why if you travel outstation regularly, the Tiggo Cross HEV is definitely worth a closer look. Chery Super Hybrid or CSH. With a full tank, the Tiggo Cross HEV can deliver up to approximately 1,000 km of driving range. The hybrid system intelligently combines the petrol engine and electric motor, using whichever source of power is most efficient at the time. This means less wasted fuel and better efficiency, with a driving cost of approximately 10 cents per kilometer. The 1.5-litre hybrid powertrain. Many people think hybrids are only about fuel savings, but one of the biggest surprise about the Tiggo Cross HEV is actually its performance. Even when carrying work equipment, tools, samples, luggage, the vehicle still feels responsive and capable. Superior ride comfort, better road holding and stability. The Tiggo Cross HEV has been engineered with SUV comfort and stability in mind. Whether you're driving on highways, wet roads, or long-distance routes, the vehicle remains stable and reassuring, more confidence behind the wheel. Spacious rear cargo space. The Tiggo Cross HEV comes with a 350 litre of rear cargo space, expanding cargo capacity up to 1,125 litres. Tiggo Cross HEV comes with a 7-year vehicle warranty. Bring your vehicle to a Chery service center or contact your sales advisor. You can contact me as well. From inspection and servicing to maintenance and repair support, our team will ensure to keep helping you and your vehicle keep it at excellent condition. Why should you choose HMBC Chery Kuching? Over 2.2 billion investment in the local factory at Selangor. Spare parts ready locally, you don't have to wait. Built with Chery's own technology, hybrid system and safety developed in-house. 17 million cars exported worldwide. Trusted by families across the world. HMBC Chery Kuching already have 1,000 plus units of Chery on the road since 2023. It is proven, supported, and trusted, not something new or uncertain. In conjunction with Chery's 3rd year anniversary, the Tiggo Cross HEV comes with rebates of up to 7,888 ringgit, monthly installments from 950 ringgit, and 0% down payment schemes available. Like and share this video, PM Chery, first come first serve, so book a test drive today and experience your first Chery driving.